How to fix Samsung A16 camera crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. Now open the main page of your settings and then scroll down, and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and open camera. And first of all, force stop your camera, and here you can see the option force stop. Now force stop your camera from here, and after force stop your camera, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that. And here you can see the option restart. Now restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, then scroll down and open reset, and then scroll down, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings, and here you can reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will fix. Thanks for watching this video.